Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this really nice looking iPhone 15. Ooh, there's all what we need. And it's green, baby. It's available in different colors out there. We have there so many things. Dynamic island, stay on top. If it is all. Or we can make new 48 megapixel camera. Super high resolution photos, 2-time telephoto, durable color infused glass and aluminium design. We can charge as easy as a USB-C, of course. And of course we have different 5 colors. That means we have pink, we have yellow, we have green like shown here, blue and black. Then dynamic island, for when things just pop up. The dynamic island bubbles up alerts at live activities so we don't miss them while we are doing something else. We can track our next ride, see who's calling, check our flight status and so much more. And color through and through. Touch all around. The innovative new design features back glass that has color infused throughout the material. A custom dial-ion exchange process for the glass and an aerospace-grade aluminum enclosed help make the iPhone 15 incredibly durable. Dependably durable, that means the ceramic shield front is tougher than any smartphone glass. And we have a remarkably resistance. The phone is flash, water and rust resistant. Water relief, really. And creating color through chemistry. Superfine metallic ions embed the color into the glass with a unique formulation for each color. Then the glass is polished with nanocrystalline particles and etched to create a texture matte finish. And this looks really beautiful and nice at the same time with these awesome colors. That's a design that feels just right. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame is highly durable and the new contoured edges feel even better in our hands. So you see a lot of stuff which comes new on the iPhone 15 today here. And the color is not only the only one thing. We have an all-new 48 megapixel main camera for breathtaking smile-making picture taking. Now the main camera shoots in super high resolution, though it's easier than ever to take stand-out photos with amazing details, from snapshots to stunning landscapes. Up to 4 times resolution to capture incredible details. 2-time telephoto is like having a third camera in it. And the all-new 48 megapixel main camera for breathtaking smile is more room to zoom. 3 optical quality zoom levels let us effortlessly frame the perfect shot from right where we are. We choose, for example, 2-time telephoto to zoom in for that perfect close-up look. Or we can go to 0.5 to capture way more of the scene with the ultra-wide camera. And we have a night mode. The night mode automatically activates in especially dark themes and now captures even richer colors and sharper details. And we have Smart HDR. When lighting is bright or uneven, the latest Smart HDR intelligently optimized for both for our subject and the background. So we get gorgeous color and even more true to live skin tones. And a front camera autofocused on us. The true depth camera automatically focuses on us and our friends for spectacular selfies and super sharp FaceTime calls. And the video that deserves the most views. It's take 4K HDR videos with amazing detail, color and contrast. We use action mode to stay steady, a really shaky handheld shot without a gimbal. Or try the 4K cinematic mode to automatically shift the focus to the most important subject in the scene. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!